In this video, I'll show you how to remove icon from your desktop without deleting. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, if you want to remove all these desktop icons without deleting, for that we need to hit right click on the screen, click on view, and here we need to uncheck this option show desktop icons. Then you will see all of our desktop icons has been removed from our screen, but they are not deleted. If I just again click on view and check this option show desktop icons, they will again get back. So this is the first way. But in case if you want to remove the specific icons from your desktop, in that case we need to open the file explorer, then locate to the desktop folder, and here we need to select those icons which we want to remove. So let's suppose I want to remove these 3 applications. So what I will do, I'll just select them with my mouse, then hit right click, then click on cut. Now locate to the folder where you want to save them. So I'll just save them right here. So once you are here, just hit right click and just see the option for paste. So once you click on paste, now you will see the icons are now here and they are gone from the screen. But in case if you want to again restore them, select them again, hit right click, click on cut and paste them on desktop folder just like this. And yeah, your icons are now back. So yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can remove desktop icons without deleting. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.